Okay. Whoa!
Right here's okay. Let's get it out of the water.
Out of the water. Okay, got a hit. Small hit, but got a hit. There we go, we got something. This was, I put some shrimp on this one here. I was whipping with this. It was getting a little bit boring, so stuck some shrimp on. Figures just when I went to the bathroom, it hits. I gotta do this more often. When I go to the bathroom, or I open my can of soda, this is when I get hit. Figures. Small hit, but it's still a hit. Kind of neat when the bell goes off. Coming in. I see color. Looks like Papio, which is a small Trevally. Yep. Look at that. Ooh, he's all lit up. He's excited. All lit up. There he is. Whew. Nice little hit. One. Got one. Got a hit. Not a big fish, but it's fighting pretty good. Okay. Start stepping back. I was on this flat slab here as my platform. Gotta track back to the mud. Yeah, he's not putting much of a struggle. Might be a barracuda or a small Trevally. Okay. Color looks like a Papio now, which is a small Trevally. Don't want to pull too hard. Yep. Here he comes. Here he comes. And there he is. Okay. Whew. Not bad. Yeah, can you clear the, oh, here we go again.
It's the same one.
Can you clear the other rod?
Okay.
This one's not as big as the other one though.
Okay. So you can land this one this time.
Yeah.
Is it on?
It's on. This one might be a Papio. So when you put that rod back, bring the net.
I got the net.
Okay. Yeah, this one is fightable, not like the other one. Okay. See, it's going to your line, but it's not going anywhere close. So we're okay.
Yeah, this looks,
it's controllable. You know, it was funny, when I told you look at the rod tip, it was just going up and down, yeah? If this one's controllable, you might be, try reach down with the net to the water. Can you make it?
Yes, we can get it.
Okay.
I have to go on my belly, but I think I can do it.
You got all your stuff out of your pockets, right? Okay. Because whatever, I think this is a Papio. Whatever this is controllable. It's not like the other one. That tells me the other one was definitely a lure because I felt it shaking his head. Yeah, he's coming around to the right on his own already. Shit, that was probably the lure loss because...
You need another pole like that.
I got...
You gotta get another one like this.
Yeah, that would be good, yeah. Okay, he wants to come in the shallows. This is going to be to our benefit. We're going to fight it in on the shallows.
You gonna walk all the way to the shore?
Yep, that's what I'm going to do.
Just be careful, don't let it wrap around the pier.
Yeah, I don't... Wow! Holy crap!
You don't want to do that. You don't want to go too close to the edge because it might go around the corner, yeah?
Yeah.
Or run into the pylons and you're dead.
No, I cinched up on the drag. The thing literally swung me around. Look at the line. It's going straight down. Well, I don't think he's ready to come in. Could be a ray, but if he's a ray, he's a small one.
It's a Ray Allen.
But this one is controllable though.
Oh.
Yeah, you know what? The tilapia over there sends a predator around. That's why they're all spooky taking off like that. Okay, we've got a second chance here. I had to slack off in the drag a little because I didn't realize I had the drag so tight.
Yeah, it might swing around like it did last time.
Yeah, it almost yanked the rod out of my hand.
I think I can reach it from here. If you want, you can fight it from the pier.
Okay. Well, wait, he's not giving me that chance. He's coming back here again. Okay, I got lit up. I can't see color yet though. What is it? Oh, that's a small ray. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk it in.
Okay. It's like a eagle ray.
Yeah, it's a small one.
What are you gonna do then?
Just gonna walk it in.
Okay. I don't need to net it?
No.
Okay.
You got your clippers?
Yep. You want me to
We're just gonna clip the leader line.
don't net it?
No. Yeah, just stand down there. I'm just gonna have you cut it. Cut it as low under the lid as possible.
Okay, I got my glove on. Like a small eagle ray.
Yeah, small one.
I want to be like Steve Irwin.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it does. I don't think he's quite ready to come in. No, stay there. Stay there. You gotta stay back. Yeah, he's coming in kind of green. Yeah. Except that this is very controllable. Okay, hey.
No?
Well, if it's easier for you.